Now my top tip, my secret sauce on this one is okay, I'm going to talk to you today about the mid-face reverse 360, one of my favourite manoeuvres. So the reverse 360 spin is an absolute staple move in bodyboarding. Highly functional for managing speed and position on the wave. When done properly, can be one of the most stylish moves. It carves you back to the pocket, which is where the power on the wave is. So yeah, super useful for getting good length of ride and staying in the critical section. Now moving on from them, there's carving reverses, float reverses, even aerial reverse 360s, variations from this initial 360 spin. So get this one first and it's going to unlock the secrets to the reverse 360, which is going to see you go into orbit in the future. If you can bottom turn and trim along a wave face, then you can nail this maneuver. The key here is a little secret that I've picked up with reverse 360s. Stay along to the end of the video. It's a little nugget that I learned off Damien Prisk actually. Anyway, reverse 360s have become an iconic move in bodyboarding. The best riders in the business do them all slightly differently. You can watch videos on YouTube of some of the best in the business. My favourite is the Spencer Skipper, the Hawaiian Style Master. We've got Mitch Rawlins, who's like just got the fundamentals of bodyboarding absolutely down to the T. And then of course we've got UK's own Damien Prisk, who has taken the cutback reverse 360 to new levels. You know, it's an incredible activity to watch. When he nails it, the fan that he gets is second to none from anyone anywhere in the world. So through years of bodyboard coaching and helping people do their first reverse 360s, we identified a surefire way to start nailing them every time. We've identified that the biggest issues and barriers to success with this move are positioning on the wave. That coupled with speed. So people first start trying them up towards the lip. And the reason they do this is because they see the pro riders do it. Now what you want to do is your reverse 360 at the bottom of the shoulder. Why is that? The reason is that you need to take the speed from the drop as you come down the wave face, fang into your bottom turn, engaging your inside rail. Then when you're at maximum acceleration, take your weight off that inside rail, put your weight on your sternum, move your rest of your weight onto your outside hand, and then throw your head over your shoulder, look through the turn, cross your legs right up to your bum as tightly as they can, and make yourself as compact as possible so that you pivot around that centrifugal point and spin as quickly as possible. Now it's really important that you keep your head up, your back arched, you look over your shoulder, don't look down. Look over your shoulder. Check how Damien Prisk does it. It actually arches right up and looks kind of quite high over his shoulder. Classic mistake is to not cross your legs tight. It's to not fang off that bottom turn, and it's to not look over your shoulder. And if you don't do those things, the spin will be very drawn out if you spin at all. Flexibility is so important, so start doing up dog exercises, you know, yoga stuff, bending your back, cobra position, child's pose, and then crossing your legs up to your bum over and over again. So laying on your stomach on the floor while you're watching television, cross your legs up to your bum, then uncross them, cross your legs up to your bum and uncross them. You do that 10 times a day, then when you go in the surf, it's going to feel much more natural. Your legs will start crossing tighter because that muscle memory will be in place. It's really important for all aspects of bodyboarding to keep on doing these stretches, and if you can get into a yoga routine, it's going to really help. There's a reason why Jeff Hubbard is so incredible at all maneuvers, but particularly tight reversers, because he's so flexible. Now my top tip, my secret sauce on this one, is that if you do a reverse, you remember to cross your legs, you remember to look through the turn, keep those legs crossed all the way until you're pointing forwards again and you're ready to start riding down the wave. Your style will look better, the spin will be smoother, and everything will be much more tight and compact. The classic rookie error is that you cross your legs, start getting into the spin, and then you uncross them. That actually slows you down. It gives you a bit more control, but it also kind of ruins the style. Okay, we have people come on our weekends and taught them the cutback reverse, and they've got it, but it all starts with the basic on the face reverse, the one that we're learning here. You've got to get that nailed, then the cutback reverse comes later. And as I mentioned, it'll lead on to the off the lip reverse, float reverse, and air reverse. So get out there, give it a go. This is a gateway maneuver that's going to change your approach to bodyboarding. Let us know in the comments below if there's something that we haven't covered or that you want to cover in the future. And let us know if there's any other secrets that you found help you with your reverse spins. That input is really useful from the community, so please share it with us. And for more bodyboarding tutorials, travel tips and product reviews, hit the like and subscribe button or visit our website for more information on our coaching holidays, weekends and retreats. We look forward to catching up with you soon.
Visit our website at www.bodyboard-holidays.com and we look forward to getting barreled with you soon.